Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Toggl Track for client time reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Toggl Track for client time reporting, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Toggl Track website at www.toggl.com. Once there, look for the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up with your email or through a social media account. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Toggl Track may prompt you to verify your email address. Open your email and find the verification message from Toggl Track. Click on the verification link inside the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected back to the Toggl Track website. Once you are back, you may need to fill out a few more details, such as your name and work preferences. Choose your preferred workspace name for better organization. Once you've entered all required information, click on Create Workspace. Now you can set up your profile by adding any necessary details. After completing your profile, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. You can invite clients and team members to collaborate by using the Invite button. To start tracking time for your clients, navigate to the Time Entries section. Enter the task you want to track and set the client associated with that task. Click on the Timer button to start recording your time. Once finished, click the button again to stop the timer. Make sure to add any additional details or notes related to the task. You can view all recorded time entries in the Reports section for detailed insights. This concludes the registration process and the basics of time reporting with Toggl Track. Feel free to explore other features to enhance your time management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.